Hello everyone, it's Hanny again with my junk journal embellishment challenge number 60. 60 already, well, time flies. The prompt is Europe, and in Dutch we say Europa. And I'm going to make a pocket. The things I found, well, not much, but I found, well, a few maps of Europe, this one and this one, and well, this is not Europe, but I wanted to use some vellum. I thought maybe I could use some vellum, but I could find this piece of vellum, and I thought, well, maybe I could use the word greetings. So I don't know if I do that, but, and I have some stamps, and that's all I could find for now. These are so-called Europa zegels, or Europe stamps, postage stamps from the Netherlands. I don't know if other countries had them yet. This is one Europe stamp from Germany, and this is from the Netherlands, Germany. Maybe other countries had them too, I don't know. Countries in Europe, of course. Germany, Netherlands, and the Netherlands. So I have those stamps. The color now is blue, but I don't have that blue sign, Europe sign. So I think, well, this is good enough. It's in Dutch and in Germans, I think, Europa. You write it the same exact, but we have an A on the end, and you have an E on the end. That's correct, yes, that's correct. So I'm going to use one of those for a pocket. I think I'm going to use this one because, well, I didn't have a plan, but I did have an idea of putting a little pocket on this and put the postage stamps in there. So it's very simple, but hey, if you don't have much, it must be simple. I will cut a piece off because I think it's a bit too big. And here's a piece of Africa. Well, that's Greece. Well, not everything is on it, so that's no problem, I hope. Sorry, people in Greece and Romania and Russia and Sweden. Finland is not on there. But a lot of Europe is on it. That's Sweden, that's Finland, that's Sweden, and that's Norway. United Kingdom, Denmark, this is the Netherlands, Germany, France, Spain, Portugal, Italy, that was Germany, Poland. Well, this is an old Europe map, because those countries, well, is different now. So Letland, yeah, I think I'm cutting greetings, or oh happy day, no, congratulations, the adventure begins. No, greetings, greetings from Europe, I like that. So I'm going to cut greetings off. Be careful, honey. Something like that. Oh, I have to be careful like that. Something like that. Well, it's not so important. And this is vellum. Well, it doesn't look straight. Could do it there, could do it over there, like so. Should I cut this off or not? Could do it this way. Could I? Well, there are going to disappear some countries behind the stamps or below this. Shall I make it a pocket or a tuck spot? Just trying. Maybe I could glue something on. Ah, it's so simple and sometimes so. I like it this way. Well, let's do it this way. Why not? It's a big pocket because this is going to be a pocket too. And how big is my journal? Well, that's possible. Yeah, I keep it this size because I always like those little holes on the side. I don't know why, but I like it. So, a little bit of glue. Checking the video. Oh, I did make a pocket of it. Well, it's not so. Maybe I should not glue it there. I don't know. Yes, I have to glue it there because it's vellum, and if I don't glue it there, it will curl up. So I have to glue it there. Well, like this. And putting some stamps behind. I could glue one over here. Could do that. Or shall I do something else over there? I have to think. Well, I did think for a while, but well, there are no ideas coming up. And I found this piece of cheesecloth. I thought maybe I can do something with that because it's a bit dull. It's a bit dull. And I don't like lace. Yeah, I like lace, but not on this pocket. And well, it's not really a pocket then, or I should do it that way. maybe gluing this on. Something like that. Could do that. Should I do this one or this one? This is it. Maybe I like this one. Maybe I like that one. Well, I should arrange it a bit better. This one on a piece of, yeah, could do that. Yeah, I think I like that. It doesn't stick very well, so I have to hold it for a while. And I have to arrange this a bit better. Don't know how yet, but when it's dry I will try to do that better. So now you can read the greetings. Well, I hope it's okay now. Should I do something here? Maybe. It's not lace, but I could use it as lace. But I like this. Yeah. Well, I will arrange the stamps a bit better later. So it has to dry. And maybe I'm going to do something here. I don't know. I can do the edges though. So, a little pocket of, yeah, on here. And I will put some stamps in it. Well, I tried everything, but I think I do a few stamps and maybe something else when I find something suitable. And I will glue it in my journal somewhere, something like this, so I can put something behind it, like so. I could do a pocket, like so. Then I have to glue this side too. maybe I will do that. Or maybe I leave it just that way. I'm not sure yet, but it's a pocket and it's good enough. It's no masterpiece, but hey, I like it and that's okay. So this is my pocket, my Europe pocket. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.